In water and wastewater operations, maintaining dozens of remote lift stations and pump sites is a constant challenge. Many teams spend far too many hours each week driving from station to station, and too often the first sign of trouble is a failure, sometimes leading to overflows, fines, and costly cleanups. Connect delivers a solution. And let's see how, by first looking at how we can monitor one of our pumps using AVEVA Advanced Analytics. What you're seeing at the top of the screen are the pump input points, raw signals like discharge pressure, vibration, motor amps, and temperature probe readings. These spikes across the timeline show the pump cycling on and off, and you can immediately spot the cycles where vibration and temperature drift together. That's often the first indication of a developing mechanical issue, and Advanced Analytics is able to apply machine learning to both spot these anomalies automatically and deliver real-time alerts to your teams. Right below that, we have the probability and anomaly score outputs from the predictive model, showing the model's confidence that a maintenance-relevant event is forming. The bar below gives us an at-a-glance timeline of normal periods in green and anomalous pump behavior in red. And notice how the anomaly score and probability increases both during and before the periods where fluctuations appear in the input chart above. This alignment is exactly how the platform helps detect and then helps you prioritize which pumps need attention first. Scrolling down, anomaly history shows when those events occurred, as well as their relative significance and risk. Each spike corresponds to one of those unusual anomalies, helping maintenance teams correlate events with shifts, weather conditions, or upstream process changes. Now let's switch into Connect Data Services, looking at this pump's signals inside the Asset Explorer. Here I can filter by asset type, status, or site, making it easy to locate all rotating equipment across the network. I'll open our pump, and on the right you can see the full property list, vibration channels, bearing temperatures, discharge pressure, suction pressure, and more. And at the bottom, the trend view overlays these signals so you can visually compare them. Now let's move into visualization services, where operators monitor equipment during the day. This dashboard summarizes the health of the asset in real time. On the left, the status board calls out active alerts, cavitation, inboard, outboard, and a general equipment alert. And to the right, the bearing data panels clearly show inboard and outboard temperature spikes, along with corresponding vibration increases. Below that, flow, motor amps, and RPM charts show that electrical load and flow during the same periods as the vibration events. And finally, on the lower right, run hours tracks total runtime versus serviced hours, helping teams prioritize which pumps need attention during the next maintenance window. Now, when an anomaly shows up, especially something like early stage cavitation or bearing wear, utilities might want an OEM to take a look. And that's where communities come in. From within data services, I can select the exact data streams that I want to share, like pressure, vibration, and temperature from this pump, and simply click Share Streams. And this securely exposes only the necessary signals to the OEM or service provider so that they can perform remote diagnostics without giving them access to my entire system. And inside communities, you can see everyone who's a part of the shared workspace, the utility as the administrative tenant, and any OEM partners or service providers. This collaboration model means that expertise is available instantly, without site visits or emails or manual exports, and everyone works from the same real-time data. This shift from reactive to predictive maintenance dramatically reduces unplanned failures. Emergency pump repairs may cost 3 to 5 times more than planned maintenance, and each overflow incident brings additional penalties and cleanup expenses. By prioritizing work remotely and getting the right expertise applied to the data via secure data sharing, via Connect Data Services communities, teams reclaim valuable hours and direct their limited staff to where they're actually needed. With Connect, utilities finally get centralized visibility, seamless collaboration with OEMs, and early detection of failure modes, keeping pump networks reliable, compliant, and efficient.